In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add projects in LinkedIn. To begin, you will want to head over to LinkedIn.com. Once there, go ahead and sign in. You have a few options for logging in. You can use your Google or Microsoft accounts, or simply log in with your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. This extra step is just their way of ensuring your profile remains secure. They will send a code to your phone, so keep an eye out for that. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where your profile picture is located. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says View Profile. On your profile page, scroll down until you reach the Experience section. This is a significant part of your profile as it highlights your professional history and achievements. Now, look for the specific experience entry you would like to enhance. Perhaps a job where you worked on a remarkable project. Next to this entry, you will see a pencil icon. This icon is your gateway to making edits. Click it, and you will be able to modify the details of that entry. Once you have done that, scroll down until you locate the Media section. Here, you will see an option labeled Add Media. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this is where the exciting part happens. At this stage, you can select a file directly from your computer. This could be an image of a project you have worked on, a document showcasing your credentials, or any other relevant media that demonstrates your achievements. But that is not all. LinkedIn also offers the flexibility to add a link. This feature allows you to paste in the URL of a video presentation, or even a website that you want to showcase on your profile. After you have entered a URL, simply click Add to include it in your Experience section. With your media uploaded, you are now presented with an opportunity to edit the title and add a description for the media you have uploaded. This step is crucial because it provides context for anyone viewing your profile. Be sure to use descriptive and engaging language to really capture the essence of what you are showcasing. Finally, take a moment to review everything to make sure it accurately represents your work. Once you are satisfied with the preview, click Save to lock in your changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully added media to your LinkedIn Experience section. It is a valuable way to enrich your profile, allowing potential employers and connections to see your work in a more dynamic and interactive way. This enhancement not only adds depth to your professional story, but also sets you apart in the competitive world of networking.